vlog chopping barrel.
Wow!
Hot Topic exclusive. I'm gonna go right here so it looks like they're walking.
Awesome. Boys, to be finished.
That person is a family.
I thought you were helping with the tree.
Guys, comment down below beer juice if you want us to turn this guy into beer juice. If you guys enjoyed this, stay tuned and subscribe, and even just like the video, that would be plenty, because we're going to be doing more of these awesome Halloween videos. We have a bunch planned, from animatronics to decorating our house. So, thanks for watching. Maybe hit that bell, hit the thumbs up, or maybe just watch another one of our videos. Bye. Stay tuned.